Namaste from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. Today, we come to the last set of 20 words, and the four words that we will be concentrating today are whole, west, war, young. The first word is whole. Whole day, whole life, whole body, whole bottle. Abhi finished the whole pizza and then finished a whole bottle of water. I have a whole lot of ideas. I want the whole world to know how happy I am. I want my whole family to be proud of me. I read the whole storybook in one evening. I spent the whole day reading in bed. The cyclone destroyed the whole village. Sheena spent the whole afternoon cleaning her house. The whole world wants peace. The second word is west. W-E-S-T, west. West wind, west coast, to the west. Travel east or travel west, a man's own home is still the best. East or west, home is the best. The sun sets in the west. The wind is blowing from the west. Columbus argued that he could reach India by going west, but he was wrong. He sailed to the west and discovered America. Can you direct me to the railway station? Oh, sure. The station is to the west of this hotel, sir. Thank you. The next word is war, world war, tug of war, civil war, declare war. War against drought. We had a tug of war competition in our school. Nobody wants a war. What do you think of war? Oh, nothing is worse than war. War must be avoided at all cost. That's it. If you go to see, the world has seen two wars. World War II, it ended in 1945. War doesn't make anybody happy. Now when we come to our being, your hardest war field is between what you know in your head and what you feel in your heart. What is the biggest battle? Battle with oneself is when your heart is at war with your mind. The next word is young. Young man, young lady, young woman, young people, young age, young mind, too young. Let a child be a child. Let a young mind be a young mind. Most animals care for their young. Mary is Tom's younger sister. Young people like popular music. Misha is too young to travel alone. Teaching young children isn't easy. Raji was beautiful when she was young. Now, at this age, she is very graceful. So, let's take a quick look at the 20 words. It's slow, serve, science, though, talk, told, top, true, table, travel, 10, toward, usual, vowel, voice, wind, whole, west, war, young. So that's all for today, and with this we have completed 400 words out of the 500 words which we had to learn in our vocabulary. Isn't it a big thing? 400 words. So you see how is your vocabulary increasing. Now you know how to use those 400 words. So if you know how to use your 400 words, then the funda is keep listening, keep practicing, and keep on repeating. So this is how you can move toward speaking English confidently like a pro. Yo, bro. So that's all for today. Meet you again in my next series of focus. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, take care, and be happy always. Thank you for being my inspiration.